Hi, so I'm here. Hello. Waiting for y'all. Sorry I got late. I was doing a very important thing, eating. I was really hungry. So I was doing that. Okay, hi. There you guys are. What's happening? Hi everyone. Hi. So sweet of y'all. Y'all actually came. So, Tanul Felsi. Oh, that's an interesting name. Let me just take your names now instead of saying hi all the time. Pradeep Kumar Behera, Sanjay Rai, Shrikesh Padma Kumar, Zubair Chavez Gutierrez. Interesting name. I'm sure you're not from India. Ravish Kidnapper, please. That sounds scary. Please change your name. Bala Murugan, Satish Babu. Well, hi Arun Kumar. My upcoming film, the one that I'm currently shooting for, is Welcome to Central Jail in Malayalam with Dilip sir. I mean, such an honor to be working with such a talented actor as him. Hi Manoj, Mari. Please ask some questions or say something else instead of just saying hi. How are you doing? Rajesh Ravindran. I'm doing well. How are you? You know what? I wish I was using a laptop or something, because this phone thing is very complicated. I'm balancing my phone. I don't have a stand for it yet. So I'm just using some artifacts. And I assume on the laptop it would be like the video quality would be much better. Next movie, the Biju Vijayan, that is Welcome to Central Jail, and then I'm also doing Vinodan. Yes, are you in any new Malayalam projects? Welcome to Central Jail. You look so different. Really. I try to be versatile. And hi. Oh, Suresh Ravindran, we miss you after Kala Tamil movie. I'm doing another one. It's called Vinodan. It's a fantastic subject, a very, very youthful, fun film. So watch out for it. Yeah. So where are you guys from? Like, I know a lot of you are from from Kerala and Chennai and the south of India. I would like to know, is there anybody else from other states? Okay, there you are. You are from Malaysia. That's sweet. You know, whenever I've been to Malaysia, I get so much of love from the people there. They are so excited to see Indian film actors visit their country. Ismail Tambat, hi. How was your experience, James and Alice? Oh yeah, it was fun. It was really nice working with the entire unit. Yeah. And I loved playing Alice. Even Kerala loves you. How sweet. I feel very loved in Kerala, and all thanks to you guys for making me feel so special. It's only because of your love, that I'm here, and thanks for always being so damn sweet to me. Who's your favorite Hindi actor? My favorite Hindi actor is Sridevi ma'am and Amitabh Bachchan sir. I think both of them are fantastic. In fact, I used to keep watching Sridevi ma'am movies when I was little, and I would keep dancing to Mere Haathon Mein Nau Chodiyan Hai. So I'm like a huge admirer of her work, and I loved her in English to English. Tamil Nadu also loves you, ma'am. Please reply. Pragadesh Kevin, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks Raja Raja for your compliment. What is your next movie? It is Welcome to Central Jail. There is Vinodan, and there is another very interesting project. I want to share the details with y'all very soon. My messages are visible or not? Shijo Matthew, of course they are. Yeah, luckily I read your message. Malaysia, I try everything there. I went to this place called Global Village there. It's got a lot of restaurants. It's at the Star Hill Gallery. Star Hill, yeah, if I remember correctly. Which time marriage? I don't know. I'm just busy working now and I'm enjoying this phase right now. So marriage can wait. Why are you coughing? I have bad allergic cough. Is there any remedy? Can you guys suggest me something for allergic cough which lasts for so long and it's so difficult to cure it? I think it's because of the pollution. Yeah. Please talk in Malayalam. Sugamano. Obviously I know a little more than that. Malayalam പഠിക്കുന്നു. മലയാളം കൂടുതൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. മനസ്സിലായി. കുറച്ച് മനസ്സിലായി. I don't have issues with the language as such because you know I get my dialogues given to me. You know they're given to me like in advance and I go through them and then I learn them up. So I don't have an issue with that. I think I'm comfortable with languages. So questions. Take care of you, Vikram Aditya. Thank you so much. Saifi Yasin Mohammed, I've already answered this. My next film is Welcome to Central Jail. My name taking after laughing, please. Namichand Verma. Why did you want me to laugh after taking your name? Smile, you mean? I think you meant smile. Do you not prefer to act in Hindi movies? Well, I've been getting some offers and I think soon you'll hopefully soon see me in Hindi films. My current movie name right now, the one I'm shooting right now, is called Welcome to Central Jail. It's an interesting name, isn't it? What do you guys think? It's going to be a fun film and a fun team it was to work with, a commercial film, and I have a very interesting role in it. So yeah, looking forward to the release. It's going to be this Onam. Which is your native place? I was born in Solapur, but at my grandparents' house, but I've lived all my life in Mumbai. So yeah. Tell my name please. Tulisi Nathan Rai Prolu. Quite a long name. Your favorite movie in Malayalam? I watched Maya Mohini and it was hilarious. I like that film. Favorite hero in Hollywood? Leonardo DiCaprio. He's fantastic. He's really good. Malayalam, which movie? I've already answered that. Harish Shivakumar, you are so beautiful. Thank you. Thoughts on SRK? Oh my god, he's such a humble person. I have just, you know, we've been at the same place, that's at Vijay Awards few years back, and he was so humble and he entertained everyone with his witty comments, and he really is a fun person. Yeah, and so hardworking, such a setting example for all the actors. Angela Joyce Zebra, I love you too. Prakash Man Achar, how are you? I'm doing well. I'm having a great time talking to you all. And this Facebook Live thing is a lot of fun. Like, it's, you know, it's so personal and I like talking with you guys. Just talk in Tamil. Pushparaj Guna, enna pesunu. தமிழ் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் ஆக்சுவலி முன்னாடி எப்போ நான் தமிழ் ஃபில்ம் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி என்டர் ஆயிட்டு அப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு வேர்டு கூட தெரியாது. என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டயலாக் இருந்துச்சு, என்ன பிடிக்கும் என்ன பிடிக்காது. அண்ட் அது ஒரு சவுண்ட் மாதிரி தான் இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ தமிழ் என்னோட ஆல்மோஸ்ட் செகண்ட் டைம் மொழி மாதிரியாச்சு. ஸோ ஐ திங்க் ஐம் வெரி வெரி கம்ஃபர்டபுள் ஸ்பீக்கிங் தமிழ். அண்ட் தமிழ் தெரியும், ஸோ அதுக்காக மலையாளம் ரொம்ப ஈஸி ஆயிடுச்சு. தமிழ் மலையாளம்ல நிறைய சிமிலாரிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ லவ் தமிழ். யா. மன்சூர் அலி, ஹாய். Gautam Gurung, love you ma'am. Oh, thank you so much. Lots of love to you as well. Can you speak Bengali? Ki korcho? Is that right? Bhaskar Basu? Ki korcho? Chan korobo? I hope I'm not wrong. Your Tamil is so good. Thank you so much. That makes me really happy. Are you coming to Malaysia again? I hope so. You guys really make me feel very special when I'm there. So I really hope to visit Malaysia again. I was in Singapore recently, and there as well the people are fabulous. Like everyone, actually, you guys have so much love to offer. What Krishna is asking, can you tell us what makes you an actress? I think this is what I've always wanted to do since I was a little girl, and I would always dance in front of the mirror. I would love to take part in dance competitions and extracurricular activities. And somehow I knew at a very very young age that I want to be an actress. And thankfully, thanks to God and my family for their huge support, that today I am doing what I've always dreamt of doing. And how many people get to really do what they love. So I really enjoy my work, truly, deeply. Yeah. कितनी मासूम हो. हाँ, हिंदी भी आती है मुझे, तो हिंदी में भी बात कर सकती हूँ. मगर अभी साउथ में काम करी तो ज़्यादा साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस में बातें करती हूँ. मगर घर में हो या बम्बई में जब आ जाती हूँ तब मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. It's fun. Vedika, I love you. Can you please give me a smile? I've been smiling all throughout. I can't stop smiling since I started this live video chat. You guys are really really too sweet. Oh, so many hearts, so many thumbs up. You song Tamil, what does that mean? Oh, my favorite song in Tamil. Well, it will have to be, my current favorite is Yarumina from Kavya Thalevan, which is my film, and Rahman sir has composed the music, so I'm really in love with that song. It's my favorite song. You can speak Hindi? Yes, of course. I'm from Bombay, so obviously I know how to speak Hindi. Yeah. Are Telugu? Telugu, yeah, I can speak a little bit of Telugu, but since I haven't had a lot of practice recently, Telugu మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు. Gosh, I'm happy I was able to say that. Since this is a live video chat, good, I didn't have to go for another retake. Say hi to me please, Surendresh Rajendram. Paul Raj, you like Vikram? Of course, Vikram sir. Who doesn't like him? Fantastic actor. Pitamagan, Bala sir's movie. Oh my god, it's one of my favorite films in Tamil. Looking better without makeup. Thank you, but I have a little bit of makeup on. Kannada, yes, I speak Kannada. Kannada gottu, Malayali Kannada ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. And ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಕ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ. ಬಾಬಿನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಡ್ವಿನ್, ಹಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ, Who's your favorite actress? Sridevi ma'am is my favorite actress, and Meryl Streep is my favorite actress as well. I think she's fantastic. Are you able to speak Kannada? Yes, I am. I'm a Kannadiga, guys. By the way, if you didn't know that already. A lot of people think I'm a Malayali, but no, I'm a Kannadiga. Bhanu Shankar, I'm very excited for this. Oh, thank you so much. I'm also very excited chatting with you. Okay, we need, what is this? Please share Pardesi film experience. One of the best experience of my career. I think, Pardesi was a turning point in my film career, and I really pushed the limits, and I trusted my director completely, and only because of him I was able to deliver what was needed of me. And I think I'm really thankful to Bala. So like before I had a performance oriented role, and before I before he was even confident of whether or not I can perform, he took me, and he believed in himself that he will be able to extract the kind of work that he was looking for. So Pardesi, a landmark film in my career. Yeah. Hi, good acting in Shivalinga, super movie. Thank you, Aru Kumar, so sweet of you. Yeah, Shivalinga was quite a challenging role. Very exhausting. It really was quite the challenging project for me. And I'm glad everything worked out fine, because the film became this huge blockbuster, completed more than 100 days, and everyone loved the movie. So thank you guys for making Shivalinga such a big success. All you Kannadigas out there, and all the people who haven't watched it, it's playing in Chennai. There's a Kannada film festival happening in Chennai. I think Shivalinga is playing on 30th. Go check it online. The Kannada Film Festival. Yeah, Shivalinga is going to be screened in Chennai. Jitu Kunj. Hi. Pardesi movie acting good. Thank you, Bala. Aditya film. Welcome to Central Jail right now. Your eyes is really cute. Your eyes are actually, but yeah. Thank you so much, Vijay. Marathi yete ka? Ho, mala Marathi yete. Good. I do speak quite a few languages. Mala Marathi yete, and Marathi मी बोलते पण तेवढं practice नाही आहे. घरी खूप मराठी जेवण बनवतो आम्ही. वरण आणि सगळं महाराष्ट्रीयन फूड मम्मी घरी बनवते. सो मुंबईची मुलगी आहे, मराठी तर बोलणारच ना. Okay, all the South Indian guys out there, I'm sure you guys didn't understand a word of what I said. Nice acting in James and Alice. Thank you, Vishnu. I'm so glad you liked it. And hello, hi. Buchi Anita. Which is your next Kannada project? We would love to see you in Kannada movie. Shivalinga was amazing. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thanks. I have signed another Kannada movie. I just want the production to announce it. It's a very interesting project. Can you speak Urdu also? Similar to Hindi. Yeah, but I understand Urdu. You talk many languages. You're really multi-talented. Thank you, Ritika. Mahe Dats. Please tell my name. Sorry, I'm coughing. Sing a Tamil song. Oh no, you guys will all run away if I start singing. I'm not a great singer, so it becomes like, I don't think it's a good idea. Telugu. Languages known: Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Malayalam, Marathi, Kannada. Not Bengali. I just know a few words in Bengali. I don't really speak Bengali. Yeah. You got amazing hair and very good skin. Please share the tip, Punita. Punita, have carrot juice, have lots of water, and stay happy. I think smiling, laughing, being happy really gives you that glow, you know, inner glow. So yeah. Your hair is so beautiful. Thank you, Vishal Jadhav. Well, by the way, I'm endorsing a hair oil product. I'm the brand ambassador for it. It's called Punarjiva hair oil. The ad is just, I think, going to come out very soon. Left side hair also is very cute. Anurag Kumar. Thank you. But I thought you guys needed a change, so yeah. Hi. Oh, your name is in Tamil. I can't read Tamil. Say my name, please. Rahil Kodia. Hi. Oh, this is so much fun. Just loving chatting with you all. It's so interesting, and you know, to connect to the people who really are the force, you know, behind you, with you. I think it's my honor to be interacting with all of you. I don't know how to thank you guys enough. I can't imagine my life without you guys. You just make me feel so damn special. It's unbelievable. Smile one time, Ramchandran. Hello Vedika. Hi Arjun Lal PA. Hi. Please show your nail. One is broken. How many movies you have acted in? Gopi Krishnan, Arumurgam. About 17, I think. I'm currently doing my 17th film. Are you single? Kannan Pramod. Yes, I am very much happily, luckily single. Hello. Tanigai Malay. Jeet Jatin, hi. Lalu Unni Krishnan. Okay guys, last 3-4 minutes and I'll have to leave. My next film in Tamil is Vinodan, like I already mentioned. It's a very interesting subject. It's a very youthful film. Your real name? My real name is Pooja. Hello. What have you studied? I have done my BSc in Business Admin and then, from UK. And then I entered films, and then I completed my postgrads in marketing from the University of Manchester. So yeah, I've studied quite a bit. Hello. Hi. Prithviraj Raja. Hi. Dinesh Tirumalai. Who is hero? Hero of my current movie is Dilip sir. You from? I am from Mumbai, like I told you guys. Love the accent. Well, it's the Indian accent. Latoni. Pooja. Ashik, hi. I think you're going to break all the records. What records? Anything to say about Kabali? Oh my god, Rajnikant sir. I'm speechless. He's one person who has so much of charisma, talent. I really hope God is kind to give me that one opportunity to ever, like if at all, if that is even possible, to share screen space with him. That will be like my biggest dream come true ever. So all the best to Kabali and the entire team. Yeah. My Marathi accent is amazing. Is that a compliment or not? to my SMS. Walid Al Mahdi Ali. Where are you from? Bharat Parmar, you are so amazing and multi-talented. Thank you so much. Simply gorgeous. I'm very happy. Thanks, Bhanu. Pushparaj Gunani to act in more performance-oriented roles. Yes, I would love to act in performance-oriented roles, and especially after Pardesi, I've got a lot of performance-oriented roles after Pardesi, like Shivalinga, James and Alice, Shringara Velan, and so many other films, and now Welcome to Central Jail as well. So I'm happy. Okay guys, last 1 minute and then I'll have to say bye bye. Pooja, say my name. Ahmad Ashkar Kollateri. Ahmed, do you miss your home? I am at home right now. Hi Sarath. Oh, you're the same Sarath who leaves me a lot of wonderful messages. Thank you so much for being such a huge support about Marathi. You look very beautiful in blue outfit, yeah, blue t-shirt. I think God might regret losing one of his angels on this earth. Thank you. Voice is super. Thank you. Okay, I need to go. Thanks for watching Shivalinga Vinayak Jyoti. So sweet of you. Okay guys, I gotta go now. You guys stay happy, stay blessed, keep smiling. And thank you so much for spending this beautiful evening with me. And hopefully I'll be able to live chat with you all again. And huge thank you for all your love and support as always. And say my name please, Pradesh Tambiya, just in time. Can you sing Male Male? Okay, yeah, before I go I'll sing that. Male 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 Male. Bad voice. No, but I'm not a great singer. Go watch it on YouTube. Bye guys, see you soon, talk to you guys soon, and take care of yourselves. Have a lovely week. Bye.